As for the extension, the answer is no. We are not going to extend beyond 28th April, for the simple reason that this mass voter registration is a very expensive exercise. It costs a lot of money for us to employ over 13,000 registration clerks and officers, to train them, to deploy them, to ensure logistically they're provided for. So it's not tenable for us to extend. So that's why we are urging all Kenyans to come in large numbers to register in the remaining few days. So far the figures are impressive. We will be announcing the figures for this week later in the evening. So we'll share with the media. We expect that the figures will surpass 1.5 million mark. Is that we as Iebc are registering people across the country, and we are seeing there are new people who have been registered and who have received new IDs and who have come forward to register as new voters. So for us, we are using that data that is available